Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout travels through VocabLand toward a quiet place called the Whispering Hermit Hut. The path feels empty and untouched, with no signs of other travelers nearby. A new word matches this quiet feeling: reclusive. Reclusive means choosing to live alone and avoiding others. The journey grows quieter the farther it goes, with no voices or movement around. A small hut rests far from busy paths, calm and quiet. The place feels quiet, meant for someone who likes being alone. Choosing to stay quiet feels respectful and kind. Leaving the place undisturbed feels like the right thing to do. Timo remembers that someone who prefers to live alone is called reclusive, and respect matters on every journey.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!